Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing March's Boxyluxe. I've been on the wait list for Boxyluxe forever now, so I'm super excited to get into this today. Regular BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and if you want Boxyluxe, then you'll have to be put on a wait list like I was for a while, and then you would pay the $21 that you would usually pay for Boxycharm, but then they add $28.99 to that. And Boxyluxe comes every 3 months instead of every month. So in the months in between, you'll be getting actual Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on into this. Lovey and Rose. I hope I said that right. Lovey and Rose. And then the other side has all the products that are in this box, which I'm not gonna look at. Alright, first thing right on top is this cute bag. So the first thing we have right on top is we got a cute little bag. Let's see if this is on here. The Boxycharm Train Case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm Cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. And this retails for $20, so that's nice. Alright, next thing I see in here is this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It says it's for all skin types. Let's see. So here it is up close. And let's see what this retails for. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. And this retails for $48. So that's basically the price of the box. So here's the price of the box in a tiny little cream. Let's see what's next. Let's go in with this. This is from Wander Beauty. You can see that. Right? And it's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Alright, let's see what this goes for. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts, the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Masks instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin. I'll put the word up on the screen so you guys can figure that one out. Kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. And this retails for $34. Next thing in here. Alright. Looks like we got a pair of lashes from Lily Lashes. And these are the faux mink lashes. Alright. Let's see. Lily Lashes exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink Gaia pair of Lily Lashes. The winged style, cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. And that retails for $24.99. Alright, next thing I see in here is from Iconic London. And it is an eyebrow cushion. Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic's Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for a precise application each time. And this retails for Oh my god. This retails for $40. I don't know about you, but I feel like that's a little excessive, but that's just me. So you got this little thing that has a spoolie on one side and then a angled brush on the other, and it folds up so that I can fit in here. And then here's where the cushion is, and I'm not gonna open this because I don't do my brows, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that to my sister. She'll probably get more use out of it than I will. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is a little nail polish duo from Deborah Lippmann. Here are the two right here. And this is the shade Modern Love. And then this is the shade O'Donna. Alright, let's see. The dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann two-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver healthy shine and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. And this retails for $20. Next thing in the box, we got something from Becca. Let's see. Ooh. Looks like a lipstick. Alright. That noise. And this is the color right here. It's the shade, let me see, Burgundy. Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. A moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. And this retails for $24. Next thing is in here. Oh, this is from Cover FX. Not sure what it is yet. I can't open it. Ooh. Looks like we got a contour in here, a blush, and 2 highlighters, and then a finishing powder, which is sparkly, so I wouldn't really use it as a finishing powder, and then a brightener. Here's what it looks like. Alright, and let's see what this retails for. Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. And this retails for $45. Okay, it looks like we got a Moda brush set. Let's see. Looks like we got 2 face brushes. This looks more like a this looks more like a highlighting brush, and then this one's more of like a powder brush. If you can see. All right, let's see what this says about this. Moda brushes, powder and soft glow kit. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and the 2-toned synthetic brush hair makes this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. And this retails for $29.99. Alright, and last thing in the box is from Morphe, and it looks like a Morphe eyeshadow palette. Pretty positive I have this palette already, but here's the palette. You can see that. Alright, and it says the Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette. Indulge in infinite eye looks at this mirrored palette. Features 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigmented shades so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. And this retails for $16. Alright, I'm going to check real quick to see if I have this because I'm pretty sure I have this. I don't, but it's extremely similar. Alright. This is the Morphe palette that I do have. and this is the 15H Happy Hour palette, while this one is the 15D Day Slayer. So I'm not sure if I should use it or not, or if I should give it to my sister. Oh my god, those are extremely similar. Extremely similar. Woo! This is the one I do have, the 15H Happy Hour, and this is the one that came in the box, the 15D Day Slayer. I might try this out, but then later I'll give it to my sister. She will not care that I used it. Alright. That is everything in the box. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and take my phone and I'm going to calculate how much we got in the box. So the total value of my box was $301.98. That's like sextuple the times I've paid for it. Yeah, I paid like $50 for it. So this is a pretty good deal in my book. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a look with everything that we got in the box besides the brow stuff because I don't do my brows. I will be right back. I just gotta get stuff cleaned up here. Alright, so I was going to film a try on for all of the stuff that I opened up in Boxyluxe, but as I was filming it, the camera ran out of memory, and then it died. So it's been a few hours. I just wanted to let you guys know what I liked and what I didn't. I didn't personally like the brushes. Can't find the powder brush, but the little Moda brushes that we got. The texture on the skin, it's just really itchy and stabby, and I don't really like that on the brush. And with like the highlighting brush like this, it's just way too flimsy. It just doesn't get any product on there at all. It just doesn't transfer the product onto your skin very well. I do like the lipstick. I liked the Cover FX palette. The pink highlighter was a little too dark for me. That's the first one I put on, and you could see like dark streaks just across my face. The lashes are a little too dramatic for me, and I'm just not good at putting on lashes either. But yeah, they're very dramatic. I did like the Morphe eyeshadow palette, but it is super similar to my other one, so I am going to give this to my sister. The It Cosmetics moisturizer, it does feel very moisturizing on the skin, and I did enjoy it for the most part. I'll continue to use it and see if it makes any difference. Alright, so that's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, if you could please subscribe and like the video, that would be great. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!